How to sort cryptos by 24-hour volume on CoinMarketCap app. So first thing guys, all what you have to do is go to the app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this option right here. After you choose this option, you will find here you can see your portfolio, and you should go to the prices here, and now those are all the cryptos. Now if you want to sort by 24-hour volume, just go to the cryptos page and go here to the sort by option, click on it and choose volume. And as you can see, now I just sort all the cryptos by 24-hour volume. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.